All right, today we're going to see if my AI assistant, if I call in, can it handle and qualify a lead? All right, we're going to try a couple examples here.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I need a website. My budget is around $500. I'm shopping around. Is this something you guys can do?
Absolutely, we build websites and can work with a range of budgets. Just to confirm, you're looking for a new website and your budget is around $500, right? Could I get your name, your business name, and the best phone number to reach you? That way I can recommend the best next steps for you.
Yeah, before that, so you can build me a whole website for 500 bucks?
Thanks for asking. We don't offer one-size-fits-all packages. Every website is custom, and pricing depends on your goals and what you need. $500 is on the lower end for a full custom website, but the best way to see what's possible for your budget is to have a quick consultation. That way, Mark can learn about your business and recommend the right solution. Sometimes there are streamlined options that fit tighter budgets. Would you like to set up a complimentary call to talk through your project and see what's possible?
No. What can I get for a $500 website?
Great question. For a $500 budget, we can usually offer a streamlined website. Think a simple professional design with a few core pages like home, about, services, and contact. It would be mobile friendly, easy to update, and built to help your business look credible online. Features like advanced forms, custom integrations, or lots of pages might require a higher budget, but we can always start small and grow as your business does. If you'd like, I can set up a quick call with Mark so he can walk you through exactly what's possible for your budget. No pressure, just honest advice. Would you like to schedule that complimentary call, or do you have more questions?
No, that's it.
All right, thanks for reaching out and considering us. If you have more questions down the road or want to chat about options, just give us a call. Have a wonderful day.
All right, so that didn't answer the best. Usually I typically don't take a $500 website because that's pretty low end for me. So that's something I'll have to fix my AI agent to kind of qualify leads that way. It kind of directed and said that you probably need a bigger budget to build out pages, but I didn't like how it said we can build out multiple pages for $500 because that's not typically what I would do. All right, so we're going to try another example here and see what it does.
Thanks for calling Watermark Design. This is Finn. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I'm ready to move forward with a brand new website.
That's great to hear. Could I get your name, your business name, and the best phone number to reach you? I'll check our available consultation slots right after.
Not right now. I just want to get a website. I have $5,000. What can I get for that?
With a $5,000 budget, you can get a custom WordPress website designed specifically for your business. That includes a professional, mobile-friendly site that's fast, secure, easy to manage, and built to help you generate leads. Features can include contact forms, photo galleries, service pages, team pages, blog functionality, testimonials, Google Maps, call to action sections, lead generation forms, appointment scheduling, and even AI chat or voice integration if you want. If you're interested in selling products online, we also build WooCommerce or Shopify sites. Every project is tailored to your goals. So the next step is usually a quick consultation to make sure you get exactly what you need. Would you like to set up a time to talk through your project details?
Not right now. Thank you. All right. So as I'm doing these conversations, my phone is actually texting me these updates of these people that are calling in, myself calling in, and it's sending me the transcripts to my email. I can see them right now coming in. All right. So that's just a quick overview of trying to qualify leads and different things you can do with it. Watch the next video and I'll show what else you can do with AI Assistant. All right. Catch you guys later. Peace.